cute, Omar. Omar's so cute. Mom, come get it. You gotta see Omar how he's sleeping. I've seen this before, Mom. You just haven't. Omar, you're just so cute. Look at this. Tell me that's not the cutest thing. I have this, I don't have it in the light. I have it in the dark. Back in LA. And it was dark in the living room. No light. Not much light. More light in here. Wake him up. Oh my, you're so cute. You're so funny. You're so cute. Look it. You woke up. We woke him up. Blame Grandma. Grandma thought she was showing me something I hadn't seen before. Of course I've seen it. I've seen it all. You're so cute. You're gonna be the world's cutest pug. Everyone thinks their pug is the cutest, their dog's the cutest. But oh my, you're so cute. Look at that face. You're so cute. Are you still asleep? Are you asleep with your eyes open? Do you sleep? Huh? You're the cutest little thing in the world! Ooh, look at that big face. Look at that face. Wow! 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 Omar! Omar's so cute. Look at him just kicking back. Look at him. Look at him just kicking back. Look at that. What a boy!